the final steps, we will have some corrections on our design. Functionality of it is actually working perfectly. I didn't find any bug till here, and we are just going to do some little corrections which can be very awesome if we change them. The first one is the color for the cards. As you see, the cards are similar to each other. Basically, they are same, and we will change it in that case. I'm just going to define a color, and I will say that I will initialize it later. And inside of the int state, I'm just going to initialize it. Here, I'm not going to use the hard-coded values like this. Actually, I have created a class which is util class. So this class actually generating the random color. And I'm going to use this random color method inside of the util class. Here, I'm going to say util. I will import it, then random color. And where are we gonna use this color? Here, if we scroll to the bottom, we will see that we have colors.till, and we want to change them because the main color for the cards is colors.till, and we're gonna select all the colors.till like this, and I'm just going to paste my color. That's it. And here we will get the error because invalid constant value. We will delete it. Let's restart the application. And as you see, the colors are changed randomly, but we have the problem here because I think the opacity of these colors is actually less than 1. That's why when I click to, for example, the second element, we can actually see what is behind these cards. That's why for the container, we are using the box decoration, and for this color, I'm just going to say with opacity, and I will make the opacity to 1. And in that case, I believe that we are not going to see what is behind the cards. As you can see, we cannot see anything behind the cards because the opacity of them is 1 right now. Another thing I would like to correct in this project is the codes inside of this card widget state. Here you can see that we have lots of codes inside of one file. Actually, we can take this functionality, take this logic from this file, and we can put it inside of the mixin. If you don't know what is the mixin, actually I can make another tutorial about it if you want. But currently I'm not going to explain what is it, but basically we will take these codes and place it inside of the mixin, and it is going to provide them for us without writing anything inside of the card widget state. So here inside of the wallet, I'm going to create wallet_mixin.dart file, and here I will say mixin wallet mixin, and I'm just going to take everything inside of this card widget state till the build method here, till the build method. I'm just going to cut everything and place it inside of this mixin. Here we will get lots of errors, and we just need to say that we are going to apply this mixin on this state of card widget. So here I'm just going to say wallet mixin on state of card widget, and we are just going to import it just like this. And as you see, all the errors is gone. Only we just need to import the util class, and that's it. There is no any issue in our wallet mixin file. But in the wallet home file, we are getting the error because we deleted the isClicked, we deleted the height factor, we deleted the color, and we just need to use the mixin with this state of card widget, and I'm just going to say wallet mixin, and as you see there is no any issue. Basically what this mixin is doing, it is actually providing all of these things without writing them inside of the card widget state. So as you can see, we don't have any is clicked inside of the card widget state, but we are able to use it in our card widget. And using this, we are getting cleaner structure rather than using all the logic inside of one widget. Another trick that we can make these codes cleaner is that we can actually extract this push method from the card widget like this. So extract method, and we can say go to detail and enter. So as you see, this method is created and we can go there. Basically we can maybe scroll down, and here this method is created. I'm just going to take this method, okay, just take it from the top to the bottom and place it inside of the mixin, okay. So here after the init state, I'm just going to paste it. And also we can make the name lowercase because the methods should start with the lowercase letter. Then we can take this go to detail and we can replace this method with this go to detail. As you see, it is not complaining about anything because we just used this mixin with this state. That's why we are able to use the method which is inside of it.